Opistokatu 4 in Kotkas.
Wow, it's a red but
Yes.
alright.
The captain, this is 6 persons. Yes, you told me not to tell me, but I always do that on my video.
Bolt in 90, 95, B1, any 1721.
6 persons for 475 kilograms. It's quite fast.
Yeah. One is the last Otis series once in Finland.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, I guess I have
Go
fun.
back.
Actually, I think I have found even newer Otis series one.
Yeah.
At the model.
Oh,
Actually, I remember the serial number. It's 1721. Sorry, 1725. It's only 4 elevators after this.
Yeah.
It's amazing, incredible.
instruktörers vaikka näitä on.
Yes. But this is a lot different than that.
Oh, I like that ceiling.
Yeah, it's nice. Well, it's amazing to see the 1721. Like I have been at 1725. Copyright, copyright, copyright.
That's it.
That's
That's